Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with the real estate entrepreneur, Omar Alfaro. How you doing, buddy?
Good, Michael. How are you? What's up,
I mean,
everybody?
I'm doing really well, man. One of the things that I have appreciated only after exiting my W-2 and kind of looking backwards is I have a superpower that I did not appreciate, that now I spend a lot of my time trying to impart, implore, motivate, cajole others to pick up. And that is daily consistency, focus. Because when you do that on something like your buy box, like cold calling, like whatever it is, you get better. And most importantly, you build confidence. What I'm trying to do in my course, How to Get Started One Rental at a Time, step one is a buy box. Step two is 20 minutes of daily discipline. It is all about building repetition. With repetition becomes ease. With ease becomes confidence. If you were to ask me what I try to do in my course, I try to build confidence in your. I hate it. I hate it when an investor picks up the phone or gets a hold of me and says, "Hey, I want to buy in Fresno just like you. Tell me what I should buy." That is annoying. No, you do the work. You get your buy box. You tell me what you think is a good deal, and then we can have a conversation. Maybe I know something you don't know, but to put that on me, that's not baggage I want to carry, right? You go do your work, figure out what your buy box is, and build confidence in yourself. Don't have confidence. Don't just believe what I say. That's I would never trust anybody else with my money. So I hate that question.
Spot on. You know how many calls? Hey, well, what do you think's a good deal in your area?
Yeah.
What about this? Well, we get that. I get messages that way all the time. It's like, hey, how about do the work and say something like, hey, I got this deal locked up at this number. I want to be able to flip it. And I see some comps. Like, give me some substance to know that you're actually doing the work.
Exactly.
And then say, you know what? Then I might know something that you don't know.
Yeah.
And if that's the case, then you're like, oh, okay, well, thank you for that advice. Let me help you not jump off that ledge.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
Exactly. Yeah. It's
So,
this is something more and more people need to realize is consistency build confidence. And that's what I'm all about in this. Keep going. Yeah.
with regards to this consistency aspect of it, Michael, on our Monday and Wednesdays, we have our investment role plays that happen with everybody here on the team and in the office. And I talk about this all the time, that I might be saying something over and over and over again, but guess what? I will shoot the free throw over and over and over again until it just is naturally, and then I'm going to practice some more, just like Kobe. Kobe kept on shooting the free throw and he had the highest free throw percentage. Mm-hmm. Why? Because he practiced before. He practiced when he was finishing practicing when someone starts to practice.
Yeah, he was a fiend, right? The Black Mamba. That was the
100%
persona that he took on. Yeah.
Because why? He wanted the consistency aspect of it. So when it came to game time, guess what? He didn't have to go back and say, damn, no, it was just natural.
Yeah.
Your aspect of consistency builds confidence, repetition, the ease. Mm-hmm. And then to establish that confidence is because you're doing something over and over again to get super good at it. Mm-hmm. And of course, it's going to come off like, damn, you know what you're talking about. Duh, because I talk about it every single day. Yeah. Because I do it every single day. Your buy box right now, this is the one part that I'm not sure if and correct me if I'm wrong. Mm-hmm. The course, did you talk about it changing in a changing market?
Yeah, I mean that's the key of a buy box, right? As you move along, as you change, as you learn more things, it absolutely can evolve. Setting up a buy box day one and then never changing is not dumb. Okay. It's not okay. The market changes, you change, right? And again, I'm an open book. What did I tell my audience? I think I first told them 60 days ago. One of the things I've changed in my buy box is I am now marketing to owners that have 60% equity or greater. Because one of the things that I want to do in the next 18 months is buy deals on terms. Specifically, I want to try to get some 50-40-10s. 50% first with my non-QM lender, 40% second with the seller, and then 10% down. If I can buy all kinds of assets with 10% down versus the other option, because everybody wants 30% down now because LTVs have changed, I can buy 3 times as much stuff, 50, 40, 10, than doing traditional 30% LTV. So yeah, my buy box has changed. I have gone from, first day listings to now fishing in a pond with, high equity. I change all the time.
Huge. This 50, 40, 10, you know what? It's something to talk about, Michael, but a lot of people won't pull the trigger, man. And we'll talk about it to 1,000 people and we'll get 1 or 2 people that actually do it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's, I've probably mentioned the 50, 40, 10 in the last 90 days, 100 times, because it's what I do, right? On my channel, I share what I'm doing. And it's okay. I mean, I just keep rolling on, keep doing what I do. I try to help people. Again, what I would tell people watch video 1, right? We talked about the high desert freezing up, locking up by August.
Yep.
But still, we'll do deals. I mean, even in 1981, where the 30-year rate was 18 or 20% or something stupid, they still did 2 million transactions across the country.
That's crazy.
You still get deals done. Again, when did Carlton Sheets and Robert Allen cut their teeth? The early 80s. Creative financing.
Carlton Sheets. You brought him back, man.
Yeah.
I remember watching him on the freaking infomercial.
Yeah, right. Rest in peace. Yeah. Again, it's this is a time that the next 2 years, transactions are going to be way off. Way off. Investors, your time is coming. Go find motivated sellers. It's not all about price. Not all about price.
Terms, man.
Terms. Yeah. Terms. So learn. I mean, I have it in my course. It's been in my course since day 1, seller financing. We're adding other things as we go along. Folks, do the work. Do the work. Build some confidence. Where can people find you?
Guys, follow me on IG at Omar_Alfaro or my website, omaralfaro.com. And I'm here to help. And so is Michael. So plug in, pay attention, comment in this YouTube video because you just absolutely need to. We're getting a lot of views, man. So it's pretty cool.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy.